Welcome to another Angel on the Go video. You guys miss us? We actually had family come in and we took off, and we are now back at finding you guys all the deals. Today we are at Target, you guys. Look at this. We are in the kids bedding section and we found a bunch of deals. So the first one is a Jojo blanket, and as you guys can see, this is a weighted blanket. Look at this, you guys. And they had a few of these. So again, this is the Jojo weighted blanket, and it was $40, you guys, all the way down to 12 bucks. So again, it was 40 and it's now only $12. The next thing we found was another Jojo. This is like a plush throw, and you guys can see the size, 46 by 60 inches. And you guys, this is really soft. You guys can see the purple with the heart. Super soft. There's the UPC in case you guys need it. Again, we are at Target. You guys can see the colors. You guys got the purple, the pink. You guys are not going to believe this. Look at regular price $14.99, and it went all the way down to $4.49. All right, here's another one, you guys. This is a super soft blanket. This one's actually bigger, and this one is a 62 inch by 90 inch. Again, this is a plush blanket. You guys can see the design. It has a bunch of bows, donuts. Here's the UPC in case you guys need it. Look at this, you guys. Look how thick this is. This is a super thick, huge blanket. These would be perfect gifts for Christmas. Regular price $24.99, all the way down to $7.49. So today is a Jojo day. Jojo. This one is a twin sheet set. And again, this one's also super soft. It includes a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and a standard pillowcase. So it has the 3 different things in this set. Here's what it looks like. A bunch of lollipops, the dog. Again, this is Jojo twin sheet set. There's the UPC. And if you guys know someone that loves Jojo, this is the perfect time to run to Target because they're having a huge sale. Look at this. It went from $21.99 down to $10.99. All right, so here's a Jojo pillowcase. This is a reversible pillowcase. Again, this is Jojo. This is a 20 by 30. And again, it's a reversible pillowcase. They had a couple of these, and it looks like it has like the cupcakes with the bows on top. You guys are not going to believe this price. Here's the UPC. And again, this is a reversible pillowcase. Pink. All right, so they had a couple, and I'm surprised they had some left. Those were only $1.79, you guys. All right, up next, this is a Paw Patrol super soft blanket. This is a plush throw. Again, it's Paw Patrol. This one is a 46 inch by 60. So it's a pretty good size. All right, here's what the blanket looks like. It has the 2 dogs. Again, it's super soft. You guys can see the colors. Very soft blanket. If you have a little one that loves Paw Patrol, this one went from $14.99 down to $10.49. All right, now look at this, you guys. You're not going to believe this price. This is a Jojo super soft comforter. All right, so we showed you the sheets, the pillowcases, the blankets. This is a microfiber twin comforter, 64 inch by 86 inch. You guys can see the print. Dream crazy big. Look at that, you guys. Look how thick this is. All right, here's the back. Here's the UPC. And you guys are not gonna believe this price. You guys have to run. Look at this. It went from $32.99 all the way down to $9.89. $9.89. You guys know we're gonna snatch these up. This one's a twin. And this one right here is a full. So they had both sizes. Again, this one is the full 76 inch by 86. And this is the Jojo. Again, you guys, we are at Target. Look at this. It went from $39.99 all the way down to $11.99. I love when I score at Target. Look at this, you guys. All right, so this one is a Paw Patrol Super Soft Comforter. You guys can see what it looks like. And we only found one of these. This is the microfiber twin comforter, 64 inch by 86 inch. Again, this one's Paw Patrol. And you guys have to run to Target. Look at this print. And you guys know we're going to take this one. Wait till you guys see this price. All right, so here's the back. Here's the UPC in case you guys need it. All right, and it went from $32.99 all the way down to $9.89. Boom. Can you guys believe these prices? All right, here's a Paw Patrol Super Soft, and this is a sheet set. So you guys can see it's a twin. Again, this is a Paw Patrol twin sheet set. It includes a flat sheet, fitted sheet, and a standard pillowcase. So we're definitely getting this one because it's a match. Again, this is a twin size. This is the only one that we actually found. So hopefully we can go to another Target and find more. Here's the UPC. And look at this. It went from $21.99 down to $10.99. This is called Animal Crossing, and I think this might be a video game. This is a twin sheet set. It includes a flat sheet, fitted sheet, and a standard pillowcase. Look at this, you guys. Super soft. And I think my daughter plays this game. I'm not sure, but I'm guessing it's a game. Here's the back right here. And here's the UPC. And this went from $21.99 down to $15.39. All right, here's the Animal Crossing. I believe this is a throw. Yeah, plush throw. This is the 46 by 60, and this is super soft, you guys. This is what the blanket looks like. Here's the UPC. And they only had a few of these. Hopefully you guys will get lucky at your location. Look at that. How soft this is. Again, this is Animal Crossings. It went from $14.99 down to $10.49. You guys have to check out the kids section at Target. All right, here's a Paw Patrol. They didn't have any of these, but I want to show you. This is a Paw Patrol. It's a rug. So it went from $39.99 down to $11.99. Here's a Super Mario full sheet set. Again, all these are super soft. Here's what it looks like. So if you guys have any Mario fans, here's a sheet set. Again, this is a full. Here's the UPC. And look at that, you guys. Not a bad price. It went from $29.99 down to $20.99. All right, here's a Ryan's World throw blanket, $14.99. But they didn't have any more. So that one's down to $7.49. This one right here is a Ryan's World, another throw blanket. They didn't have any. But if you guys can find it, they're only $7.49. But we did find this. Look at this, Ryan's World. And this is a super soft twin sheet set. It includes a flat sheet, fitted sheet, and a pillowcase. Look at this. And we only found one, so we'll probably take this one. Here's the UPC. My son loves Ryan's World. This one went from $21.99 all the way down to $6.59. Under $7. You can't beat that. Up next, here's the they had a Ryan's World twin comforter for $16.49. It was $32.99, but they actually didn't have any more, so we missed out on that one. But hopefully we'll go to another Target and find one. This was the Mario Brother comforter, $32.99 down to $23, but they didn't have any more. This one right here is a Mario rug. It went from $39.99 all the way down to $19.99. But again, they didn't have any, but we just wanted to show you guys what they did have. So they might be in your location. They have a ton of comforters, you guys. So you guys have to run to Target. Look at all this. We're about to load up our cart. Up next, we found this. Look at this, you guys. This is Trolls World Tour. And this is a night light. So I'm definitely getting this. My niece loves anything Trolls. So I'm going to buy this for her. And we're just going to go ahead and mail it out to her. But again, this is a night light. And this is Trolls. I think her name is Poppy. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. But I think this is Poppy. But look, you guys can see the light coming on. This is super cool. Look at this. You guys are not going to believe this price. Look at that. Boom. It went from $14.99 all the way down to $4.49. We only found one. So hopefully we can go to another location and we can actually find more. But we're going to go ahead and grab this one. So this is the only thing we have in our cart so far. But we're going to go and grab another cart and grab a bunch of these comforters and sheets. Alright, you guys can see that this says clearance 30% off. But it's actually not, you guys. Look at that. Boom. It went from $19.99 down to $9.99. And I believe this is Minecraft. This is super soft. Look at Manny. Super soft. My son plays Minecraft all the time. I think this might be the lamb. I'm not sure. Comment below if you guys know this character. There's the UPC. But you guys, these are super soft. And again, don't believe the signage. It's not 30% off. They have quite a few. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep an eye on these. And I'll probably come back and snatch them if they go down to like maybe $2 or $3. All right, here's some more Jojo. So we're about to get our cart, our second cart, and we are going to start loading up. So here's the Jojo blanket we found for $7.49. Here's one that we found for $4.49. So we're going to take these. Again, these are under $5. Here's some sheet sets. Those are $7. They have a Jojo unicorn. All this stuff, you guys, are on sale. On sale. All right, so here's all the Jojo comforters. You guys remember the twin size, $9.89, and the full size all the way down to $11.99. So we're going to go ahead and grab these. We're going to go ahead and hold on to these, and hopefully all these will sell around Christmas time. So we want to thank you again for watching our video. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe. $5.